What's up, you guys? It's Dark17 coming at you with another YouTube video, and today I am cleaning my room. As you just saw, it's an absolute mess, and I'm tired of walking in my room and seeing this mess. Like I just said, there's not really other way to describe it. Dumpster, landfill, pigsty, all of the above. So I think I'm going to start off with my desk. I have a few things I want to put up. I've got some fake plants. And then I want to make a Polaroid wall because I don't have a lot, but I do have quite a few of those. And then this will kind of be like a collage over here. I have a few shelves I want to put up that I ordered. A light. So I think I'm gonna make my bed, then turn on my desk, and this is going to be quite the journey. I'm currently 6. Is this popsicle helping? No. Am I still gonna eat it? Yes. So let me just get right into this. Okay. It's 9:40 something, and I started cleaning my room at 2. Want to see what I've done? Whoa! I'm literally quaking right now. Okay, so if you didn't catch my drift, I basically not done that much, little to nothing, and I'm just not that motivated. So right now I'm gonna work on my nightstand, I guess. This is gonna take 2 freaking days. Just think about this, okay? I've only cleaned, and even when I say cleaned, I haven't really cleaned. I just done the bare minimum. Like, that kind of looks bad. And I still have to decorate. And I was supposed to get this all done today. I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna do it. Yikes. So, just gonna... Let me just take everything off of here. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with this. I will guarantee you tomorrow that I'm going to find something orange in my hair. You see, when I clean, I don't really actually clean it. I just throw it in a drawer. I haven't seen the bare things of these in a long time. Was that a good idea? No. As you can see, my backpack is very quirky, and I'm gonna save that for another video. So our current issues are this, kind of that, but like, I have an excuse for that. This is a problem right now. And then all of this, but that's explainable. Once I make the bed, it'll make a big difference, I think. And then, if you look from over here, yikes. I think I'm going to work on this. Okay, so it's the next day, and I still have this, some over there, that, and I actually have stuff to do today, so this is not going too well, but like, I'm happy that I did that. Okay, that was an accomplishment for me, so I'm just gonna hop right into it. Kinda cozy. Okay, so my camera's about to die. Whoa! Okay, so I was cleaning out all these Loot Crate boxes, and here's a box that never got opened, so let's just see what's inside. So if you don't know what a Loot Crate is, it's like a monthly subscription to a bunch of geek and gamer stuff. I stopped getting them because I literally, I'm not a gamer, I'm not a geek. A collectible 3D wood model of R2-D2. A pin, which I actually do. I like the pins, so we'll keep that. And that we can actually throw away. That's gonna be throwaway pile over there. Keeping that for sure. We got a Rick and Morty thing. I think this is a DVD for Bob's Burgers. I'm really not sure. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle shirt. Honestly, I could sell this, so keep that. I literally have no idea what this is. I'm gonna keep it. I'm a hoarder, in case you haven't noticed. You see, that's the problem. Whenever I just yeah. So next up, we have this section. It's got all my medals. I mean, I win so much. Yeah. If you don't stop. But yeah, so it's got a bunch of my medals, a painting that I tried to make, some art stuff, some school stuff, some letters that people gave me because I just got a lot of friends. Oh, these are all letters from the same person. Thank you, Paige. And I'm really tired of every time I do literally anything on this board, it just shakes like that. Promise, I don't know what to do with all my medals. They look kind of good, but yeah, hang it up. Let's see. This is my little nephew's soccer medal that he got. I think I'm going to put all my other things. That is dangerous. And since I don't really learn, I'm just going to do the exact same thing I got. I think that's a little bit more stable. I want to keep this up because it's the only picture that I personally have with my grandfather. Here, if I poke a hole in it, will it stay? It does nothing. That looks kind of good. Oh, almost fell there. Okay, I'm happy with that. This is a thing from when I met Conan Gray. I'll kind of do an info card over there for that video. And this is the VIP pass I got. So I definitely want to hang this up here. I think I'm going to take down all of these and just put them over here. I really don't know what else to do, so here we go. This is my current situation right here. Love this for me. That's that current situation. Those are all the pins that I just took down. Whoa, you can really see, look. You can totally see where it was, especially on camera. That would be cool, wouldn't it? No, it's not. It's like 50. 50? So we've got these Stardust things. Okay, this is my light, my desk light. There's two of them. Oh, okay. So here are my fake plants. And this is my LED modeling lamp. So I'm gonna try and make this right now. Quiet! There was low-key some cobwebs on this, so that looks pretty aesthetic, not gonna lie. So let's go see how this is gonna look up on the wall. So it's gonna be right here, and then it looks kind of already used, but I mean, who cares? Okay, so the camera that I'm using is currently out of storage again for the millionth time recording this video. So that's my Kooky one. Kooky one is for Taekwondo, like a national membership. Okay, sorry to interrupt real quick, but I literally said the wrong thing. A Kooky one is certifying that I'm what level black belt that I am. So first degree you get a Kooky one, then second degree and so on. So the more you know. And I used these command things, but then halfway through I realized that I was actually doing them wrong. I was doing them upside down, so that's fun and fresh, so I'll just wait until the day that it comes crashing down. Oh, this hurts my core so bad. You want to say hi to the video?
Hi.
Hi.
Hot. Hot.
That hurt, huh? No, 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 no. Okay. 22, 23, 24. I don't know if I'm in frame or not, so I'm just gonna do this. So I'm kind of spontaneous. I was just sitting in my bed and I was like, this looks ugly and messy, so I'm gonna change that. So that's what I'm doing right now. Tough. So this is the situation we got going on here. It is offsided and lopsided, but I do not feel like redoing that. And the last thing I'm gonna do is slap some stickers onto my bed and one on my mirror. The very last step that I'm going to do is to take that out and put this in. I'm finally going to be done. I've literally been doing this for a week and it really doesn't look that good, so you turn your hair. Wait. Okay, so before I reveal the little before and after, I just wanted to put a disclaimer out there that this is not how my room is usually going to look, and I literally vacuumed and cleaned just for this video, so don't get the impression that like my room is actually always like this, because That's just too much to maintain. I don't think I filmed an outro for this video, so this is the last you're gonna see of me. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe. It'll really help me out, and it'll help you out because you like the content, hopefully. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. I have a few videos coming up really soon, so stay tuned for that. Enjoy this little aesthetic thing right now.